Hello members, I welcome all of you once again on this channel. Today we are going to share a new VPN app which will help you to secure your connection as you are browsing online. In today's video, I am going to guide you on how to set up this VPN. The VPN is already on Google Play Store. Go on Google Play Store where you can search and install Android apps. Click on search. Right here the name of VPN. This VPN is going to secure your connection as you are browsing online. This VPN is called Wolf Channel VPN. Search on it. The among represented, select Wolf Channel VPN. In case if you are new on this channel, like, share and subscribe, and share this video to your friends so that they cannot miss my video feature content. This is how it looks like. Install. After installing, open. How to set up this VPN? Our first setting is click on update down here. Select online update. This is done to update the app resources. Another setting, auto select server. I recommend you to choose auto select server because it will help this app to give the better performance so that it can provide a better service. Another setting, UDP Styria. You can select UDP Styria. If it's not working for you, you can select your country name. Another setting, click on the airtime button to get more connection time as you are using this app. How to start this VPN? Click on the start button to secure your connectivity. Lastly, like, share and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Share this video to your friends so that they cannot miss my video feature content. Thank you for watching. If you're not understanding, comment. Let us meet in another video.